Let's unbox Silhouette's newest machine, the Curio 2. I'll show you everything that comes inside and the dimensions of the machine. First, you'll get the electrostatic mat and this clear protection sheet that you'll place over the mat to protect it from any damage. Inside this box, you'll open up half of the power supply cable and you'll find the second half in this clear bag. You'll also find the auto blade adjustment tool, and some masking tape to secure down your projects. The dimensions are 19.75 inches deep, 24 inches wide, and 9.5 inches tall.